After some days, why is this deal so important for you that you are both nervous and excited at the same time? Taeyong, yes, why it can help our company to reach new heights. So yes, I'm a bit nervous. Wine hugs him. Taeyong smiles and calms down a bit. Wine, don't worry, Tae. I believe you. You will definitely crack it. He kisses her forehead and leaves for his office in hurry. Time skip on the phone. Wine, what Omo? I'm so happy for you, Tai. I told you you will make it anyway. Taeyong, yes, love. Wine, I have invited my new business partner for dinner in our home. So will you? Wine cuts him in between. Don't worry, Tai. I will manage everything. Time skip at evening. When will he come? Taeyong, few more minutes, love, he said. They are stuck in traffic. They hear a car has stopped in front of their house. Taeyong, it must be him as his new business partner arrives the house. Wine eyes widen after saying the guest. Hello, beautiful lady. You have a beautiful wife, Taeyong. Taeyong smiles. This is for you, young lady. He gives her a bouquet of flowers. Taeyong, thank you. That's so nice of you. They both head towards the living room. Meanwhile, Wine stands dumbfounded on the door. After having dinner, they were having small chit chats. Meanwhile, Wine was sitting quietly lost in her deep thoughts. Taeyong's phone rings. Taeyong, excuse me. He goes out to attend the call. Wine, excuse me too. She was about to leave but holds her hand. I need to talk to you. Wine, leave my hand. No, I want. Wine, Jimin, I said leave my hand. She shouts. Jimin, no, baby, I miss you so much. Wine closes her eyes in rage. Jimin, I'm married now. Jimin, doesn't matter. I still love you and I want you back. Wine, but I don't love you anymore. I love my husband. You are lying. Wine, no, I'm not. Jimin whispers, you have to be mine again, whether you like it or not. Next day, Taeyong, Wine, get ready. My new business partner has arranged dinner for us in his home as a payback. He has asked me to come with my wife, specially. Even I thought you should come with me because you seem a bit off these days, so it will be like a change for you. Wine's heart sings that now she has to face her past once again. One point of view, he is so happy because of this new business deals. I should not make any wrong move or wrong decision. I will try to avoid Jimin as much as possible. Taeyong, will you come right? Wine, anything for you, Tai. Time skip, Jimin. Welcome, guys. I hope you both faced no problem in searching my house. He smirks at Wine, but she looks away quickly. Taeyong, no, not at all. Smile. Taeyong and Jimin were having some business talks. Taeyong, Jimin, where is the washroom? Jimin, it's on the left hand side in the hallway. Wine holds Taeyong's hand tightly. Taeyong asks what by lifting his eyebrows, but Wine nods and leaves his hand. He caresses her hand and leaves. As soon as he disappears from the side, Jimin sits beside Wine. Wine eyes widen. Jimin, Wine, I missed you so much. Please come back. He holds her hand. Wine tries to free her hand, but he tightens his grip. Jimin, don't you remember how much you used to love my touch, my embarrassment, and my kisses? Have you forgotten the beautiful moment we shared? Why, no, I don't want to remember anything related to you, Jimin. Oh, come on, why don't you remember how many special moments we have shared on this couch, like our late night movies, snuggling into the same blanket in each other's embrace, kissing endlessly until we run out of our breaths. She looks at the couch she is sitting on and starts remembering their special moments together. Jimin, and that kitchen of mine, you remember how you used to cook my favorite food and I used to sit on that couch, sleep like a puppy, putting and doing all sorts of things to get your attention. A tear leaves her eye remembering their moment which she lived with all her heart. Jimin, and this bedroom, wine, you remember this bedroom of ours? We spent so many beautiful nights making love and playing our future together. You had so many dreams for the future of our relationship. She smiles with tears in her eyes that how beautiful were these memories which she created and lived with him, how she had planned to live her life with this man, how much she was in love with him. Jimin, how can you forget everything so easily? How can you forget me? Don't you want to live your dreams with me now? He covers her face and leans forward, touching their lips. She closes her eyes and tears, which were accumulating in her eyes, now descends down her cheeks. They kiss for a minute, remembering their beautiful memories they shared in their past. Jimin separates and murmurs, Jimin, I love you. Wine smiles, still closing her eyes. Wine, I love you too, Taeyong. She quickly opens her eyes wide as his name helps her to come back into her senses. Jimin ignores it and starts kissing her again, but this time rough due to jealousy. She tries to break the kiss, but Jimin stops her, holding her nape. Just then, Taeyong, what's happening here? Jimin quickly breaks the kiss. Jimin, oh Ryan, we got case. I told you to control. Ryan furrow her eyebrows and immediately stands up. Ryan, Jimin, are you mad? Do you even know what you are saying? You were kissing me forcefully. Jimin, it's okay, Ryan. No need to hide anything. We were going to tell him about our affair anyway, so why not now? Ryan gets shocked. Ryan, shut up, just shut up. She looks at Taeyong with pleading eyes. No, Taeyong, he's lying. Jimin, why would I lie, baby? I have pictures of those beautiful moments which we spent together. Why? Yeah, of course you must be happy because you are my ex, Taeyong ex. But you never told me anything about your ex, shaky voice. Why? Because I thought there is no need to. Jimin cuts her in between. Jimin, because we are still in relationship. We never broke up. Why? Stop it, Jimin. Stop lying. Meanwhile, Taeyong stood there in dismay, breathing heavily. Jimin, yes, Taeyong, she always loved me and still loves me. She married you just to save her father's company because you are the CEO of Asia's biggest growing company. So, of course, her father would benefit a lot from you. Why, and Jimin, don't do things which you might regret later. Angry voice. He smirks at Wine. Meanwhile, Taeyong heart cleanses. He feels like as if his whole world has come to an end. He felt betrayed, Jimin. But now, as you have settled her father's company, I want my baby back. He looks at Wine and then at Taeyong. Jimin, now decision is yours. Will you still be in this marriage even after knowing that your wife loves someone else?